Perform the indicated operation, negative 7/6 minus a negative 5/4. As the first step, let's find the common denominator and write equivalent fractions with that denominator, which in this case is 12. We would have to multiply 2 over 2 times the 7/6, or the negative 7/6, giving us negative 14/12. Here we'd have to multiply top and bottom, or numerator and denominator, by 3. So it would be minus negative 15/12. Now let's change the subtraction to adding the opposite. So this would be negative 14/12 plus the opposite of negative 15/12, which would be positive 15/12. We are adding numbers of unlike signs, and therefore we know the answer will have the sign of the larger absolute value, which would be 15/12. So we know the answer is positive. And now we subtract their absolute values, 15/12 minus 14/12. For 1/12, our answer, positive 1/12.